Hello everyone, an emergency video where when I looked at the price chart, I just could not discuss exactly what is happening right now. Especially, I'm going to be traveling today, but nonetheless, I am still in tune with the market and I want to give you guys my perspective as to what I'm saying right now. So if you look at the price itself, on Ethereum, for example, you will quickly note that we're currently standing at a very important support right here at about 2,500, and I apologize for all the loud noise and stuff. I'm just in the middle of something, so I cannot really make a studio video, so apologies for that. Next few videos might actually be like this. So this is when it comes to Ethereum, we're actually standing, that's why the name of the video probably is going to say critical support or critical point, because quite frankly we are standing in terms of ETH for absolutely critical point, that if we do actually break this support, the door theoretically could be opened down to 2K again. The big question is it really possible for it to go down to 2K again to retest, to grab some liquidity? And I'll get to this topic in just a second. When it comes to Bitcoin is also standing at a very important critical support. It's interesting how these coincidences with levels come about in different assets throughout the industry. So this is the Bitcoin price. And from here, actually right here, I told you when we were touching the all-time high, I said, guys, it will probably roll back. So be careful with this because price doesn't just infinitely go up. So, and those who listened to me got protected. So congratulations. Call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments. But in general, we're standing at a very important support of basically 69K right here. So if we do break the 69K, in that case, it will just open up the road again for retests down lower. So it could just turn into another fake out, and then we'll just have to spend more time to grab liquidity a tiny bit lower. But overall, it looks pretty fantastic. Like, if you look at the Bitcoin price, it actually is forming a very nice triangle, and usually does actually break to the downside and then push to the upside. So we have about 65,000 could be one of those support areas where Bitcoin could theoretically go down to. And we also saw a big insider player, like a big whale, at the level of 67,000 per Bitcoin. So this is our mere expectation of what we could see in the short term for the price performance. And what I want you to pay attention to, this is number one in literally days. We have the Fed meeting, so Powell's decision on interest rates and his policy, and the FOMC meeting, which right now is very crucial. So this is number one, what you're supposed to be paying attention to. And number two, which is of utmost importance, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is after I tell you about my trade on ETH, which is, oh my God. Yeah, at some point it's gonna get better. At some point it will get better. You guys remember where I'm trading. I'm trading over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link, which you can find in the description of this video, you can actually claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. But the coolest thing here is not deposit bonuses, that you can get up to 42% discount on trading fees. If you're trading anyway, so you're gonna be saving yourself thousands of dollars. So that's something that I would really suggest you do if you want to really have an edge in trading and get extra bonuses and a up to 42% discount on trading fees. And if you already have an account, you can create a new one with a different form of identification. So now into huge news, and something that you really cannot afford to miss. And that is, number one, is this right here, about EVEDEX. Morningstar Ventures has invested in EVEDEX. If you don't know what Morningstar Ventures is one of the most prominent crypto funds and crypto VCs in the world. With their support, EVEDEX and our team is gonna just simply explode, and we'll reach our goals 5 times faster. Because with these kinds of backers, especially when they're putting money on a table, it just shows how huge EVEDEX is. Because, for example, Morningstar Ventures, they don't invest in thousands of projects randomly. They just pick a few projects that they actually believe in, that they understand, that they see potential in, and they work with them. So, which grants us which opens the doors for us, quite frankly, to absolutely new network, to more credibility, to so many things that I think will make EVEDEX absolutely huge. And right now, with this support from top tier people in crypto, if you've not been paying attention to EVEDEX, I told you so many times before that the FOMO won't just be there it will actually be freaking painful. So this is news number one. But most importantly, what you need to be paying attention to right now in terms of Ethereum and Bitcoin, etc. By the way, also I'm going to leave a link down in the description this video as well as in the pinned comment to the 6th of November and the 7th of November. I'm going to be doing a free 2-day workshop, crypto workshop, where you can learn how to pick coins, where you will see my portfolio, what I'm holding in terms of altcoins. We'll talk about trading strategies and so many other things, and it's absolutely free. So register for this crypto workshop. You're going to really learn a lot. So if you really want to scale yourself as a trader, you will really learn a lot. And we're coming to the airport, to the VIP terminal, to actually drop me off. So, but anyway, on the 6th and 7th, please come at 7 p.m. Central European Time. But all the information for the crypto workshop in the description of this video was in the pinned comment. So the most important news. Actually, let me get dropped off and then I'll continue. Okay, get put into separate rooms so I can finish the video. And this actually, when you're flying almost like semi-private, this is what it looks like. And right now I just gave my passport all the details, and they're gonna come back and put me straight on the plane. So you don't need to be at customs, you don't need to be at the fucking line. You're doing your shit. I'm gonna have breakfast and off we go. So, but anyway, one of the most important things that I would be paying attention to in the next 5 days, which is going to cause a huge amount of volatility and probably is gonna make a lot of people lose a lot of money, and is gonna cause more of these ups and downs, and that is this piece of news right here. So that's the election, because literally next week is the election week. So 3 days to go. Trump is leading, which is a good thing, but this is poly markets, so I have no idea. And the chances of him winning have been dropping the last 48 hours. So maybe that's what also has kind of slightly affected the Bitcoin price and other altcoins as well. So considering this right now, what you need to be paying attention to, number one, you might as well even stay away from trading until the election, because the roller coaster will be quite crazy. It's going to be crazy up and down. Like, really. That's why I'm thinking that my expectation here is I'm going to just bear through it up into the election, into the announcement of the results. So that's basically like 3, 4, 5, 6 days, whatever. And then you could become active again. It's up to you. If you're taking swing trades, like, or you're taking scalp trades, then this kind of time might actually be a good thing for you. So it's really up to you. But I'll be paying a very close attention to this. And lastly, before I let you guys go, I'd be very much inclined to pay attention to what is happening with the ETF. Because, for example, in terms of Ethereum ETF, yesterday, BlackRock randomly just bought 50 million worth of ETH. 50 million. So, and when it comes to, for example, Bitcoin ETF flows, you also need to be paying attention to it, because this is, see, I'm getting interrupted also, but at least we're getting nice service, nice food, nice coffee, nice everything. But one of the most important things, one last thought, is the ETF. And when it comes to, for example, Bitcoin spot ETF, then you're gonna quickly notice that, for example, yesterday, we also had some dumps, and that's why the price dumped. So previously, BlackRock, sometimes in a day, $1 billion, and then yesterday, suddenly nothing. And then other ETFs actually sold 54 million. So it's always like this. It's a roller coaster, up and down and up and down. So in the next 6-7 days, guys, in my opinion, the last time to actually stand strong. And if we do dump lower, just add to your positions and get ready for the rocket. Because if the rocket doesn't come in the next 30 days after the election, there is something officially going to be wrong with the market. And maybe we'll just flip to Forex. I fucking know. So that's all I have for you guys. Check out this quick tutorial popping up on your screen as to how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with proper risk and money management. Remember about the Bybit bonuses down in the description of this video, and also about the crypto workshop on the 6th and 7th of November at 7 p.m. Central European Time. Link to the registration to this free crypto workshop, which you're going to learn a lot from, is down in the description as well. And I'll see you next video. Bye.